Hi everybody, this is Sajid Marati. Welcome to my video which focus on education of the MATLAB code for a statistic method. Actually, in this video, I try to introduce the f the function. Actually, f is known as the f distribution, which is used in statistical tests such as the ANOVA. ANOVA is the short version of the analysis of the variance and regression analysis to compare variance. Actually, one of the function which is connected with the f distribution is create the PDF or probability density function for a f distribution. This function consists of the main component x, df1 and df2. In the df1 and df2 are the degree of freedom. df1 is typically actually df1 typically refer to degree of freedom for numerator, and the df2 refer to degree of freedom for denominator. And the x is the value which we can evaluate the function with this indeed. Okay, let's create a simple example to demonstrate how to use the f probability density function in MATLAB. So for this we want to calculate the PDF of the f distribution at the specific value, which is x, a specific value of x. So for this let's go to MATLAB workplace. This is the editor windows for MATLAB, and I want to start to write code for f distribution. First I write the CLC clear closure for the and prepare the our code and our space for a new codes. And next I use the this assumption of the value, the specific value for x to 0.5, and the df1, which was freedom of the parameters for numerator and the denominator, and df1 and df2 5 and 10 degree of the freedom. And next I use the PDF function. Actually PDF underline value, it is the variable we want to save the result of the function on it. And the next I want to display the result. I use this code. I use the f print f. This is the comment and the result. So for this I run. As you see, amount of x is 2.5, df equals 5 and df2 equals 10, and result is the for the specific number. PDF value is the 0.0936. Actually, in the next step I want to calculate FPDF, or use in the f probability density function for a range of the x. I changed the x which was 0.5 to range of the numbers which is 0 to 5 with the 0.1 steps, and df1 is 5 and df2 is 10, and I want to calculate PDF for with a special condition df1 and df2 and the range of the x value. So I again from this code, and I want to show the result in the plot, which use a figure and the plot code, which title is the PDF of the F distribution with this special condition, and x label is x and y label is PDF, and the state of the grid is on. So run it. As you see, this is probability density for a range of the x 0 to 5, and this line is the probability density of result of the FPDF function. Thank you for joining my video.